All right, bridge pose. Bring the heels up close to the glutes. Send the hips to the sky. Option to interlace the fingers in back of you or keep them out by the sides. Press in through those feet. And lower down, nice and slow. Here we'll take Dupattaknasana. Soles of the feet pressed together. Let the knees relax out to either side. One hand at the heart, one hand at the hip. Few breaths here. This is a nice relaxing posture for the low back. If it feels like a little bit much on the thighs, one thing you could do is prop pillows underneath the thighs to support the weight of the legs. Good. Bring the knees back up. We're going to take a second set. You can do the same thing, bridge pose, or you can take wheel. For wheel, hands come to either side of the head and hips come to the sky. Bridge pose or wheel, your choice. Come on up. Slowly lower down, one vertebrae at a time. And then we'll take dead bugs pose. Dead bugs pose, knees come up, grasp the inside soles of the feet. Start to iron the spine to the ground. Option to rock side to side for happy baby. Massage the low back and kidneys. Release the feet, bring the knees in together, put the palms face down on top of the knees, make some little circles, clockwise to counterclockwise, back and forth a few times. And release the left leg to the ground, guide the right knee up, give it a squeeze to the outside of the ribs. And release the right hand, guide the knee to the left. Supine twist, look to the right as you twist to the left. Make sure to keep both shoulders on the mat, that'll help to protect the low spine. The low back. You want most of your twist to be in the thoracic, the middle of the spine. Come back to center, bring both knees into the chest, gently rock side to side, neutralize the spine. If you'd like, curl into a little ball, give yourself a squeeze, and release the right leg to the ground. All right, give the left knee a squeeze up to the outside of the rib cage toward that left shoulder. Release the left hand to the ground, guide the knee to the right. Final supine twist. Look left, twist right. And come back to center. Knees into the chest. Gently rock side to side. Give yourself a little squeeze here. And release to Savasana, resting posture. Let go of the Ujjayi breath. Come back to that natural rhythm of breathing. Relax everything.